everyone. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you a hack that you will love if you are a content creator and if you need to create content every day for Instagram Reels, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook Reels, X, LinkedIn. You know how it's hard sometimes to create content and find new ideas every day. I've got this hack. You'll love it. It's gonna make your life so much easier and you'll enjoy creating content so much more. Let's go. Okay, you're gonna go to this website called glasp.co and you'll install it on your browser. You can install it whether you have a MacBook or just a regular PC, Windows. So install this and then I'll show you what you're gonna do. All right, so once you did that, once you install glasp.co on your browser, on your web browser, you'll go to YouTube and research something that you want to transcribe. So let's say, okay, let's say I want to go to this video. So I'm gonna go to this video. The sound is off. Okay, and then if you go here, you can transcript and summarize this video with Glasp. So this is the beauty of it. So you'll go here and you'll just view AI summary. It's gonna log into your chat GPT right here. And it's gonna literally summarize the entire video that you have here. So you have 9 minutes, 35 seconds of a video with new platform to earn $9.97 a day online using AI with no skills. So here it summarized it and it gave it to me as bullet points. So now if you want to, you can just copy and paste this, you know, and like read through it, see if it makes sense, see if you need to change anything. But you can ask ChatGPT to tweak it if you want, to add more stuff, remove some stuff, and then you can create contents for your social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So that will make it so much easier. So if there's any video that you like on YouTube and you want a summary of it, a quick summary with the help of Glasp, and I'm going to show you what you can do as well, because you can customize what it gives you on ChatGPT. So when you go to here to your extensions, because it's gonna pop up as an extension, you'll go to YouTube summary with Glasp, with ChatGPT and Claude, it's called, and here you can select default is GPT 3.5 and 4, but you can select something else if you want. The language you can change, and here you can see the prompt here, summarize the following in bullet points. You can say summarize the following in 5 bullet points, and I think when you download it, it's gonna show us 5 bullet points, but I changed it to bullet points because I needed it for videos with more than 5 bullet points. And then once you do that, you can redo it again if you want. Let's take another video. Let's put make money online, side hustles, because that's very popular, as we know. So yeah, 6 easy online side hustle that require no money to start in 2024. So let's take that. So you know what, we're going to change it to 6 bullet points because it's going to have 6 side hustles. So let's change that to 6 bullet points, and you can change whatever you want the prompt for the summary. You can, if you're good with ChatGPT, you can literally like just be as imaginative as you want. So we're going back here and we'll click here on view AI summary. So it's gonna pop, it's gonna show up ChatGPT. And here again, so this is summarize the following in 6 bullet points. And if you scroll down, now you're gonna have the 6 bullet points. So freelancing, social media management, teaching skills through coaching. So you have everything that was summarized from that video that was 9 minutes and 23 seconds long. So yeah, once you have that done, you just copy paste, tweak it if you want, make it longer, shorter, add some more stuff, ask it to write it in your voice if you need to. But then you can literally create some content very, very easily just by scrolling YouTube and getting ideas there. If you are lacking ideas, because it's not very easy to find new ideas every day, just go on YouTube, search for what you want, summarize it with GLASP. So GLASP.co is the website, and then you use that extension on. I'm using Chrome right now, but if you have Safari, it's gonna work as well, no problem. And that's all you have to do. So I hope that was useful. Thanks again for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so already. I'm a very small channel, as you can see, and anything can help to grow. I'm trying to grow. So if you have any comment, please don't hesitate to comment below the video, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online, or a new tip or trick on ways to make your life easier to make money online. See you guys.